Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to a reimagining of an old video. It was formerly streamed years ago, basically live, and we thought that since nobody actually wanted to watch it in that format, we would re-edit it and give me a little bit more time to create some fresh, new, fantastic content. I'm biased. You'll have to tell me if it's fantastic or not after the fact. Catch you on the flip side. That's not cool. That was never cool. Why did I say that? Burn it. Ah, yay!
There you go. So we make our own logos out of, well, all sorts of materials. This is aluminium in this case. Quick and dirty inlay. Take the thing that you're inlaying, score around it with a scalpel blade, evacuate the cavity, glue in the inlay, and you're sorted. So here we go. So what we haven't really talked about is the fact that I should have just glued this inlay onto the headstock instead of spending, what, 10 minutes or so. There we go, a logo.
We're 7.5 hours in.
1 hour to go.
Let's get this backplate off. So okay, so we're in. This is a picture of me panicking!
So the idea is to make a wiring loom and pre-wire as much as I possibly can straight into my workbench. Helping hands. So pre-tin everything you can. The concentration is gripping. This is where it starts getting fun. We have roughly an hour left. There is no way. We have an hour left. Look at that guitar. 0 finish, 0 wiring, 0 shielding. No fretwork has been done either.
Okay, cool. Earth. The earth is coming in, the live is coming into the middle. Quite frankly, we are coming together. I don't know, I think we clamped the neck up at opus 4. The moment of truth.
Looks good. Come on. We've got less than an hour.
Yes.
So this is our rear guard shielding paint, which is a conductive paint that creates a Faraday cage and protects your back cavities from unwanted emissions. It almost seems sacrilegious to do this. 57 minutes and counting. Strap button.
We've got two options here. Look at those gorgeous things. Okay, while you're distracted, I'm going to turn the clock back.
So this is Renaissance wax. I didn't put guitar finishing oil on first because I thought the wax would give a quicker finish. Renaissance wax is a microcrystalline wax. It's used in museums around the world to protect statues and paintings and carvings and everything. It's awesome. There was no rocking on any of those frets, and that means that the fretboard was perfectly flat, and also...
It's going to be playable. It was a 10-second level crown and polish.
Yes, it was. Sheesh. 38 minutes left. Strap buttons going in. Half an hour left.
Come on.
Roughly 20 minutes to go, I would say.
There we go. Doing the bomb.
This is the part of the build that basically takes an entire day at least. Panic a little bit. Ish.
The ground. Watch me cut one of the strings instead of the tails.
4 minutes, 7:65. Two and a half minutes. Oh.
So what have we got? White. I was hoping you were going to forget that. And by this point, he's a massive failure. Okay, so now that I've failed, I can relax a little bit. Well, the thing is...
No, you can't. There's still a timer going.
Should be, almost. Phil, we will be with you shortly, sir.
I don't care. Yeah, Phil's got places to be fair.
Oh.
Yeah, it's right, time's up. I'm going. It's only been 30 seconds.
Jam jar amps are phenomenal, awesome little micro amps, and actually when you put them through a cabinet, it's a creditable amplifier, handmade in the UK, etc. Anyway, I'm deflecting you from my pain right now of having failed the challenge.
Nine hours, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. That's basically playable. Phil, see if you can make it sound good.
Hell yeah.
this video and want to see more like it, please hit the subscribe and notifications button. It helps. Makes me feel better.